What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Over the next few days we're going to be doing some heavy squats, bench, and deadlift. Top set is 2 sets of 3 at 90%. So for squats that'd be 315. Bench will be I think like 205, 210 maybe. And then deadlifts will be I think 360, 355, somewhere around there. But those will all be PRs if we get the 2 sets of 3, even 1 set of 3. I'm going to be documenting those. It's currently Thursday at 5:39 a.m. and we are going to do squats today, and then bench tomorrow and deadlift the following day. But like I said, we're going to film those so we got proof that we're getting stronger and to check form. But I'm excited, getting stronger. That's the main goal. As long as we're staying that path, we're okay. But if you didn't see my last video, I talked about the health benefits of a plum, and I eat them every morning just because it tastes good. Obviously the health benefits, and it's like gets me going. I love them. I think they're really good. But I'm about to take some pre-workout. Accent Sledge, as always, use code HANS10, HANS10, for 10% off your purchase and to support your boy. But I'm gonna go stretch and do some squats. My right knee has been hurting a little bit. Not hurting, but like there's been some hindrance there. Not like super painful, but just like a weird feeling. So I'm hoping to like stretch that out and work it out today. So I don't lose my leg, you know. But competition is literally like 5 weeks out, maybe less. Getting a little worried. Still haven't gotten any confirmation or email from the event people saying like, hey, this is the schedule. And I'm waiting to get that so I can book a hotel, and I hope it's just sent out soon. But fingers crossed. Let's get this party started. All right, that felt really good. The first clip, I did get my butt to see if I went below parallel, not below parallel, right parallel to get a good lift. So filmed the second lift too, looked good, felt really good, felt strong. So making progress. That's squats. So feeling happy where we are and the places we're gonna go. So what's up, guys? It's the next day. It's Friday, October 15th at like 5:40-ish a.m. We finished squats yesterday, completed the PR on that one. Felt really good, felt really strong. Ever since I widened my stance, I feel way more comfortable and capable of lifting more weight. So that is nice. We're in the sauna, warming up the body, and we're gonna do bench today. And it's 205 for 2 sets of 3, top set at 90%. So that will be awesome if we can do that one too for a PR. But as usual, got my plum. I think I'm gonna start trend Plum Nation. I mean, it's just got so many health benefits, and people who work out can eat it before they work out and just feel way better when they work out. But it's just me. I'm gonna sit in here, I'm gonna find myself. I want you to look how cool this place is. Just sauna life, you know? Nobody here, quiet, just you, just chilling. All right, see you on the bench. All right, that felt really good. That was easy as crap. So getting stronger. Second PR hit. Now I just gotta do deadlifts. But overall, as you can see from the video, I think that went pretty smoothly. Good pause, good form, good technique. Feeling really happy about it. But all right, guys, it's Saturday now. About to be 7 a.m. Finishing off the PR train with deadlifts. It's supposed to be 365, 2 sets of 3. We will see how that goes. I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to get those 3 reps for both sets. I've never done that before. We shall see. But as usual, I'm gonna take some pre-workout. Axe Sledge, gonna get me through this workout. Stuff. Just want to thank you guys too for watching. Wouldn't be doing this without you guys. I think that during this whole past week, I've gotten like 5 to 10 more subscribers. So I mean, the channel's growing. The goal, you know, isn't to be making all kinds of money with this. It's to entertain people and educate people and just motivate people and just give them a good time. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy working out. I enjoy showing you guys how to make money, health tips, stuff like that. So see where it goes, but let's go deadlift. guys got to get on the plum train. You will not regret it. Get the weight up. I didn't get 3 reps. Got 2 reps though. Might have, you know, left some stuff in my pants, if you know what I mean. I'll have to go to the bathroom, but we got 2 reps. That's good with me. Never done it for 2 reps before, so it's progress. We'll do it for another set for 2 reps. But I mean, I'm gonna say that completes the PR train. I'm satisfied. Hope you guys are too. But I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Started right?
Yeah.
You're good. Alright, so it's Sunday afternoonish. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. We are currently on our way to get some groceries and then bring them back home. And then we are going to a local fair with some friends. But recapping the PRs that we hit, Thursday was, what was Thursday? Thursday was squats, and we did 315 for 2 sets of 2, which is a PR, never done that before. And then Friday was bench, did 205 for 2 sets of 2. And then yesterday we did deadlifts for 2 sets of 2 as well. So squat was 315, bench was 205, deadlift was 365. So things are going right. We are getting stronger as we should. And then moving forward, we're getting heavier still, so there will be more PRs to come and more footage to come. But now we're just gonna go enjoy some funnel cake, chicken strips, curly ribbon fries, maybe go on some rides as well. Hopefully we don't throw up. But I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel. More content is coming. And let me know if you guys want to see certain content. I'm open for anything because I'm here to entertain you guys, educate you guys, and just show you some of my life. But peace.